That was like a little tune. Good, good. Is anyone still in denial about having a dairy intolerance? Also, you know when you have your window open for a long time and you trap a fly in your room and it's just the worst. So sorry if it just wants to be on the camera. Fuck off! It's a new day. Hi, I'm back doing I want to play with some makeup. I've got some new products to use. Some of them I've been trying out for about a week. Some of them I've been trying out for about a week, just to get the hang of them, to see what they're about and if I like them or not, and I do like them. Some of them I have not yet used. Let's see what happens. I'm thinking romantic vibes, just pink and cute. Pearls. I'm gonna do my base, put my lenses in, block my brows, colour correct, do my face tapes. Anything that is like a new method or a new product, I will include, so you'll get to see that. But if you do want to see how I block my brows and colour correct and do my base, I have a step-by-step video, which is the first video on my channel. It's all there for you. Thanks so much for the love and support on my wig making tutorial. That was cool, and it turned out really cute, so on to the next. I officially look like the monster underneath your bed. I've done my base, basically, haven't powdered anything. I'm taking this P.louise base. This is in OTT Orange, and I'm gonna use it as a blush. Get the tiniest bit. That is not even a pea size. Just tap it into the back of my hand with my finger, and then take my beauty blender and just dab that. And as you can see, the tiniest bit went such a long way. So I'm going to just go onto my cheeks with it. That sort of warm, sunburny kind of look, which I live for. Love that. I'm gonna powder my face, you know the drill. Taking my kryolan translucent, patting everywhere. Brush away that excess. This is Peaches and Cream brush, PC05. So this time again, their brushes are just so good. Just to add a little bit more dimension, I'm going in with the shade 3 of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. And then taking shade 2, just sort of going everywhere else. I'm just going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm finally getting to use this. It's been out for a while, but this is the new Pride edition. It says it's got a sweet smell, so let's see. Oh my god, this smells... I don't even know what this smells like, it's amazing. That is lovely. My beauty blender and just go over the face. God, that's such a nice mister as well, unlike some others. MAC Fix Plus. I've just taken my kryolan powder to just sort of bake loosely underneath the eyes. Sorry, this is a complete Charlotte Tilbury overkill, but I'm taking shade 1 of the Flawless Finish powder and just with my finger just highlighting my nose. I'm going to lightly prime my eyes with not too much, but P.louise base in 0.5. I'm literally just tapping it in. My boyfriend bought me this and I love it. And now I'm going to take, this is one of the new bases from P.louise, and this is in Cute in Coral, and I'm going to put it on my eyes and map out the shape that I want. I've not used this yet. Ooh, pardon you. I'm going to take a Morphe M456. I'm going to go here. That's where I usually go. Sort of treating it like eyeshadow, even though it's a cream. Ooh, yes, love that. And then I'm just going to go on the outer portion of my eye and sort of wing that out. I'm going to take a bit of card, position it there, go in with that product, just tap it on just so I've got a sort of definite line. Just wanted it to be like a pink hue. What a name. I'm going to get a bigger, fluffier brush just on the remainder of the product and just lightly blend it all out. I'm actually going to take that same brush and go in with this blush from MAC. This is called Desert Rose, and it's just like a dusty pink. I'm just going to sort of set that in place. Okay, so as for the palette, it's not, oh, just rubbed. So the palette I'm going to use today, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's the KKW Cocoa.
Cocoa. It's pronounced Cocoa, Alex.
Matte palette. Yes. So I'm going to go in first with Sandstone, which is like this light peachy shade. I'm just going underneath the brow bone, like that, just to really soften that blend. So now I'm taking a Morphe M456 and going in with Tawny, it's called. Lovely. Just darkening, adding a bit more definition. Get my trusty cardigan, line it up and go in with that tawny shade with the same brush on the outside. The one next to the tawny shade, which is this one called Sienna, just taking this brush, which is a MAC 239, and going in there to again add more dimension, really keeping this sort of close to the crease. And then on the outer portion of the eye, going back in with the blush just to keep the pink going. Like I keep saying, I always say this with eye looks, just like keep alternating between brushes and colours, just so you can keep working into getting that blend that you want. Maybe I can just get away with darkening it a little bit more. So I'm going to Bourbon, which is the next one down. I'm finally getting to use this from the P.louise and Mitchell Acid Rain collection. It's just the blank canvas paint. I'm going to do a half cut crease. My kryolan number 10, stamping that across. To about there, just past my pupil. It's the perfect consistency to create a blank canvas. The brush that I use for the sort of middle colour, just blending that. Massive yes for this. I've got this Charlotte Tilbury, what is this? Eyes to Memorize, to Mesmerize in Jean. And it's like a cream eyeshadow, sort of like a champagne-y, pinky colour. Perfect for this. This is just a flat, wide brush. Paint this on my lid, see what happens. Oh yeah, nice. I want to put a pigment over the top of this, so this might actually be like a nice tacky base for the pigment. The pigment I'm using is one that I've mixed together, and I've mixed two different peaches and cream pigments. One in She's All That, which is like a pink with a gold reflex, and the other one, just to sort of lighten it a little bit, I've used the shade Disco, which is a silver. These pigments, literally I just tapped my hand. Look at that. Just gonna pat this on the lid. Yes, with the shade 1 of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish. Just really highlight the under eyes like that. Just taking the Morphe pencil, what's left of it anyway, in the shade Coconut. It's just a white. Just going on my lower waterline. Let's get a little MAC angle brush, and I'm going in with that tawny shade, mapping out my lower lash line. And then just join that to the wing. Blend this underneath colour out a little bit. Go into that blush with a little fluffy blending brush. Yes. I'm debating whether to go in with a black liner or do it with shadow. I'm going to do it with shadow. Taking the darkest colour in the palette, which is this colour called wood. I'm just gonna define that lower line. And then I'm gonna do the same on the very, very inner corner, making a tiny line on the inside, on the tear duct area, like that, just so it's sort of, and then I'm gonna go over the lash line with it. And then a tiny little wing, I'm not going too crazy. Definitely that kind of fox eye trend that's going on, and I kind of feel like I've been doing it for a very long time, but now that it's trendy, I'm like, let's join in, let's get on it. I feel like we're losing my brows a little bit. Draw some hairs, this black shade in the matte smoke palette. Gone a bit too far, that one.
Look at how furious I look right now.
As tidy as you go. I'm trying my hardest to get through life without being a messy bitch, knowing full well that I am. Okay, so for lashes, I'll link them down below. I don't know what brand they are, but they are these in the style E89. I got them from AliExpress. This has changed my life because you can get 40 pairs of lashes for like £40. It's amazing. I'll never be short of lashes ever, but I'll link them down below. Give them a go. That rhymed. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. While the glue is drying, I'm just going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on. See, if I was a professional makeup artist and I had to curl someone's lashes for them with this, oh my god, I wouldn't. Putting a clamp type tool on someone's delicate little eyelashes. What? MAC Extended Play, Giga Black Lash, nothing new here. I just like this mascara for reasons being that the wand is tiny. I don't really care about the formula of the mascara because I'm just going to cover it up with a lash anyway. The best way to put your lashes on, get your tweezers and just slot them behind your lashes with your eyes open. That way your lash will look like it's going up and opening your eyes instead of closing your eyes and looking like Daisy the cow. Do you know what I mean? Okay, lashes are on. Morphe spray again. It's so good. Okay, let's put a bit of bronzer on. I'm so excited about this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Just come out. It's so good. It's massive as well. This is in the shade 3. Tan. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. Who'd have thought? Taking my big Peaches and Cream PC05 brush, just going in. Oh, it's such a nice colour. And the formula is so finely milled as well. I love it. Also, packaging. What? Glam. You glam, Charlotte, and you know you are. Also, Sophia Tilbury as well is so stunning. I could watch her put on makeup all day. That's Charlotte's niece. She works for Charlotte Tilbury as well. She's so good, like, she's amazing. I'll link the video below. It kind of inspired me to do this kind of look. Hindash does Sophia Tilbury's makeup, and it's amazing. Using all Charlotte Tilbury products that I wish I owned, but I'm not a billionaire. Just gonna hit the contours of the nose a little bit with that. Going down the bridge. Just gonna go over this bump here just to kind of lift my nose up. This bronzer for the win. Okay, a little bit of blush, that desert rose colour just to tie in with the look. Love it, love it, love that. I'm going in with an oldie but goodie, Becca Champagne Pop, can't go wrong, and this PC27 from Peaches and Cream. Get ready. Yes. I I love this brush for so many things. For blush, it's amazing. For highlighter, it's incredible. And just to put like a wash of colour, if you want to like contour your eyes with a bronzer or something, contour your cheeks, yes. The PC27, please put it back in stock because I want to buy about 7 more. Okay, thanks. Just going to also just highlight the brow bone. I've got this as well, Glowgasm Beauty Bond by Charlotte Tilbury in Peachgasm. It's like a peachy colour, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit onto, oh yeah, oh my god, loads. I squeezed it too hard. Oh, whatever, let's just put it on my shoulders. Just taking a fluffy brush and just patting that in, just so it doesn't sort of move my makeup, so I'm not swiping, I'm just patting lightly. Let's do the lips, and then I'm just gonna put some, I'm gonna show, again, get your words, use your words, Alex. Taking my Fenty Uncuffed. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of the blank canvas Acid Rain P.louise Mitchell paint and just tap it in the centre of my lips. Okay, to conclude this makeup, I want to put on some like pearls. I've got these. I've got these from Amazon, these from Amazon as well, which are like pinky shades. I want to put some on the inner corner and the outer corner. I want them to be all different sizes as well, so I'm going to dot where I want them with lash glue. Wow, yes, look at that, I love that, that is so cute. Yeah, cool, cool, cool. Let's do the other side and then we are done. As you can see, I've just sort of randomly put them on. There's like champagne-y ones, pearl ones, and pinky ones. And I've just added a few little freckles because I wanted to. I'm gonna get some hair on and show you the finished look. See you in a second. Put a tiny bit of lip gloss on. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Yes. Cool, this is it. This is the finished look. This is what I came up with. Pearls, pearls, pink. These are from Amazon. 2 headbands from Pretty Little Thing, and this is from PLT as well. This is the Webster Wigs Amelia in Frosted Peach, and I've just put like a bit of a wave to the bottom of it. I had fun just putting makeup on. I think it's just needed sometimes for a bit of a therapy session. You know, trying out some new makeup as well. I hope this answers some questions about some products that you weren't too sure on. I cannot fault a single product that I used today. Also, I've had a few requests on a skincare routine, but I have one on my Instagram, so follow me over on Instagram, which is Luna Bundy, @LunaBundy, LUNABUNDY. And my everyday Instagram, my skincare routine is on that too. So that is at Alex Pinder, ALEXPINDER. Cool, that concludes this video. Please like and subscribe, I'd love that, and show me some love in the comments. And if you really want to know whenever I upload a new video, click the bell notification button so you get notified every time I upload. Just want to say also a massive thank you to all the new subscribers that have recently subscribed, and the comments and the likes and stuff and the views. It's so heartwarming just to see everyone showing some appreciation. So I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.